This 2021 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 31 feet 5 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 10, smoke detector, Colorado detector, refrigerator, awning, microwave, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, slide-out, air conditioning, LP detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL is 5,854 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.